This is the triple thread, and by triple thread it has 3 reeds instead of 2. Me and my buddy from Washington, Steve Schultz, developed this call over the span of about a year. And what we were trying to do is create 3 reeds that are easy to blow, because the more reeds you have, the more difficult it is to get the reeds to harmonize. We figured it out, and the result was a unique sound. The triple thread is real gravelly on the low end, like an old mature hen. But when you do the greeting call or the hail call, it kind of sounds like a younger hen with a little scratchiness in there. And this call is tough. I mean, it is very durable. Spit, rain, weather conditions. I like it because you can do a lot of things with it. You can manipulate your air. You can get higher pitches. You can get lower pitches. So it's a great call for beginners because it doesn't take a lot of air to use, and it gives you a lot of options when conditions change.